And yes, I did have a haircut. So did my cousin James. No. So my cousin here, right here, he made me a paper airplane, and he accidentally threw it over the fence. But he gave me this one, and it flies super well. Do you want me to show you? And I do have a big cam. Sorry. Yeah, I do. Look. Do you want me to show you how this flies? Yep. Go! Ready? Wow! That was just a bad throw over, wasn't it, James? Yeah, but we can't leave it in a field. That was like a fake throw because we need it in a field so we can do it more harder. If you get what we mean. Yeah. Right, throw it in the air like up. Ready? Yep. Look, see how that thing flies? You see how that thing flies? You see how that thing flies? I'm sorry, I have a big head. Look at this big head. Look, do it again, James. Right. How did you get this time? Hold the camera. Right, so hold the camera while I do it. Right. Yo, what's up? Follow the plane. Did you see that? Right, let's go and get it. So, this thing flies like mad. Alright, should we do it again? Look, watch this. Look, watch this. Follow the plane. Oh! So, this thing flies so well. Let me hold the camera. Do it. Ready? Make sure don't go with the fence though. Try and do it like not up in it. Look. See how that thing flies? You see? So, Jay, do you want to see peace? Jay, do you want to see peace? Oh yeah. Let me just tell her. Find something. So, let me tell her to find something. Guys, you better like and subscribe or I'll come to your house tonight and tickle them toes. Yeah. I will get a bunch of bed bugs and put them on you. And loads of spiders. Go on, chuck it. Ready? Ready, everybody? Ready, fam? Ready? Yeah! Go on, see you again. Let me throw it this time. You hold the camera. Guys, follow this plane. I'm going to go in a minute. Oh! That thing nearly went over the fence. And guys, it is a sunny day out here. So if you're not outside, get outside. So, anyways, you want to see this again? You want to see this again, people? What's this? Pull it up.